around your shop and home.
Absolutely, Jason. Each kit contains everything you need, including fiberglass resin, hardener, applicator brush, a mixing cup, and the mixing sticks, and a pack of fiberglass matting, as well as an instruction guide to make your repair go as smoothly as possible.
That sounds great. Are we ready to get started?
Absolutely, let's go. First, I'll sand the surface with 80 grit sandpaper. Next, I'll blow off the sanding dust. Then, I'll cut a piece of the matting so it's slightly larger than my repair area. Once the larger piece of fiberglass matting is cut, I'll hold it up to the repair area to determine the size needed and trim it to size. Now, I'm ready to mix up the fiberglass resin. I'll begin by breaking the seal on the resin container. Using the measurements on the mixing cup, I'll determine the amount of resin needed for my repair and pour the resin into the mixing cup. For every 44 milliliters or 1.5 fluid ounces of resin, I'll dispense 4 pea-sized tabs or roughly 1 inch of hardener onto my mixing stick. Next, I'll mix the hardener thoroughly in the mixing cup with the resin to eliminate visible streaks of hardener in the mixing cup, which would indicate that the material is not properly mixed yet. Next, I'll apply the mixture to the repair area with a resin brush. Please note that there's a 5-minute pot life with the catalyzed resin, so be sure to apply the material within the 5-minute window. And then place the matting on top of the resin. Then I'll apply more resin on top of the matting to soak it. Allow 15 to 30 minutes for it to cure. Once cured, we recommend using one of U-Pulse fillers such as Fiberglass Light as your next step in the repair process if it's needed.
Dan, that was incredible to see how easy it is to repair fiberglass with the Raptor Fiberglass Repair Kit. Dan, thanks again for
My name is Chris, and I'm a lead painter here. I've been a tech for 17 years. Finish is the most important thing for me to be successful. We typically use probably between 50 to 100 abrasive discs a day. The 3M Cubitron net abrasives give you a finer finish. They extract dust really well. The life of the 3M Cubitron net abrasives are a lot better. They hold up a lot longer than the old abrasives. When we use the Festool equipment, the dust extraction is a lot better with the 3M Cubitron net abrasives. There's a huge difference in shop cleanliness with the 3M Cubitron net abrasives.
My name is Brian. I'm a collision repair tech for Hepner's. My favorite thing is erasing a terrible day in someone's life, fixing the car. The most important thing for me to be successful sanding is cleanliness of the repair, quickness of the sanding, and the duration of the sandpaper, which the Cubitron Net 2 satisfies. I've noticed a major difference in cleanliness in the shop without the dust flying everywhere. With dust extraction, I can see the whole repair, and I can make most repairs with fewer discs overall. It's going to be more cost effective because you're using less paper to do more repairs. Give it a shot, compare it to any other repair you've done before, and it should come out cleaner and faster.
Thank you very much.